Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to make a broccoli salad with red pepper and pine nuts. Let's do it! Alright, so we're ready and let's click start cooking. We have 10.5 ounces of broccoli florets. So let me open right here. Let's add them. Here we got all the florets right here. I'm just gonna put them on and see where we're at. 10.9, that was perfect. All right, then we're going to put 1 red bell pepper. So in this case, we don't need the scale. All we need is 1 whole red pepper. Obviously, I had to take the seeds out, just big pieces. I think I did like 8 pieces or something like that. So I'm gonna grab it right here. Oops, actually I have 2 more here. 1 red bell pepper. All right, next. Same thing here, it's asking for 1 whole apple, and I have it right here. I think I cut it in 6 pieces. Obviously, I took the core out, and here we go. Our apple is inside. Let me get rid of this. And in the next step, we have 1 ounce of pine nuts. If you're allergic to nuts or pine nuts, then here we have 1 ounce of sunflower seeds or whatever you want. This is a salad. These are just suggestions. If you want to skip something, you do. Yep. I don't. I love pine nuts, so I'm going to add, this is probably more than 1 ounce, and I don't care. So let's see. Yay me! All right, so what we've done until now is to put here the main items that are going to go in the salad. And these items right here are the ones that are going to create the dressing. So you have an option. If you wanted to put all of this in a Ziploc bag and have it aside, whenever you want to make the salad, it's even faster. I mean, this is super fast, but it could be even faster if you wanted to. I'm just giving you options, right? So let's go to the next step. And like I said, now we're going to create the dressing with 6 ingredients. Here we have the olive, 1 ounce of olive oil. And again, skip something if you don't like it. 2, a little bit more, 9, and my goodness, and 1.1. Okay, all right, next. And now we need half an ounce of fruit vinegar or half an ounce of white balsamic vinegar. So in my case, I'm going to use apple cider vinegar. That is a fruit vinegar, right? You have many options anyway, but I'm going to use this one, so let's go for it. Half an ounce. Oh, that was it. That was fast. All right, next we need 1 TSP of honey. Let's get the honey going on. And 1 TSP. Yum. And always remember, when you're using a Thermomix, you don't want to do cling, 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 because the scale is very sensitive, so you don't want to do that to it, okay? Right now, I'm just gonna get an apple and I'm just gonna empty my teaspoon a little bit with the apple, okay? Now we need 1.5 TSP of mustard. And yes, I did wash my hands. I know you're not going to try the salad anyway, right? So here we have 1.5 TSP of mustard. I'm just gonna put a very tall one, and that will be my 1.5, okay? Same thing, we want to get it out somehow without doing cling, cling, cling. Then we need 1 TSP of salt. And that's the good thing about having this one where I have TSP either way. So now I can do the salt from this one that is dry. 1 TSP of salt, push. And half TSP of pepper. Half TSP of the pepper, or to your liking, right? Here we go. So you see how fast that was? That was 4 main ingredients and 6 to make the dressing. Let's put it together and cover it. Next, 7 seconds. That's all that we're going to do. But this is going to show you how well the Thermomix can chop for you. I have a lot of friends that go, oh, if I chop onions 1 more time, or how long would it take me to do this salad? Well, you know how long it takes me? 7 seconds of the Thermomix work. Let's go for it, and speed 4 and go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Let's put it right here. If we wanted a little bit more chopped, then we can go ahead and do it. You just don't want a broccoli soup, right? So don't over chop it. Look at this. Ta-da! It is gorgeous, right? Let me pour it here first. And what do we have? Serve at room temperature. Okay, so let me put it right here. It is a big salad too. And this one could be scaled. We're gonna go now and see if we could have scaled this recipe. Here we go. This is ready for my party. Which party? I don't know, but now I'm gonna have a party. All right, let's see if this one could have been scaled. We go to the beginning of it, and here we click and we go, yes. So this one is for 6 portions. We could have done 8 portions, or we could have done 4 portions. Or in reality, you can do whatever you want in your head, right? You can have everything, or I mean, not double, because we were already here. So that's why a 6 portion was up to here, and an 8 portion would have been full, and that's all you could do in just 1 batch. But could you do it again? Absolutely. So if you have a huge party, then keep making some batches, right? Couple minutes each, come on. So this is one of the recipes that we have in the official demo, the broccoli salad. And a lot of people go, oh, I'm not so much into broccoli, or I don't like such a green salad. Yeah, that's what they say. But every time we do it, they go, oh my goodness, this is awesome. And how fast you chopped it, and how easy it was to make. And the dressing was made at the same time. That is so healthy and so good, because it tastes really good. If you have someone that really doesn't like broccoli that much, then you have the quick rainbow salad. Look at it right here in Cook I Do. And that one is very similar. It still has broccoli, but it has carrots, a lot of carrots, so it's a little bit more orangey. Or make both in a party and have a bowl of each, right? That would be nice too. Okay, so how long will it have taken you to chop all this salad? If you have a Thermomix, you know you can do it. And if you need a Thermomix in your life, then you know what to do. You can email me right here, or you can use my purchase link. It's in the comments and it gives you free shipping. So let's go make it now. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much. No, I don't like that. Just go straight. Red pepper and okay. And I'm just gonna put them all. I said full haul and said full. That's why. Of course I forgot some. That's me, right? Oh my goodness. Now you have a blooper because this is super stuck. What the heck, honey? All right, I guess I'll have to come back to you because this honey doesn't want to come out. I mean, eventually it will fall. Why? I swear this doesn't happen in my kitchen only when I go for it. All right, I'll be back. Are you having fun? 5-second rule. Trust me, just stay where I was. Blah, blah, blah. I'll get to do it now. Okay. Yeah, okay. So in this case, we don't need this. You hate me, right?